So, hello everyone. I'm here to present our team, Runtime Terror. So, as a third year undergraduate, students usually has a very important to get the internship, right? So, in NEP 2020 era, when semester 5 internship opportunities demand not just knowledge but adaptive real world skills, institutions desperately need systems that truly connect experimental learning, administrative efficiency, and student engagement in seamless digital ecosystem. So here we present our solution, which is Campus Sync. So what is Campus Sync? Campus Sync is actually a unified insight-driven platform connecting students, faculties, and employees for NEP 2020 experimental learning and career readiness. So let me show you first the interface. So this is the interface in which you can see there's 250 plus internship that has been posted and 95% of NEP compliance rate is there, and out of 5, 4.7 mentor faculty score is there. So basically we have divided our platform into four parts. First is the student portal, second is the faculty mentor, the third is the industry partner, and the fourth one is the employer. So let me show you one by one. So first, if that like you can choose that according to you what role you are applying for. For example, if you're a student, then you have to log into the student ID. So here you can see the basic interface, which is called as the dashboard of a student. Like here you can see, so this is the role you can see here. It is of student, and you can change the mode from here. So right. So this is here you can see the browse 12 plus opportunities, where you can see how many opportunities you have. Then you can update your profile, and this is the you can see skill development areas are there. Then current internship that are going on and the application status, and this is gonna be a bar chart. And you can also see that how many interviews are aligned for you. For example, you can see the upcoming interviews that are aligned, and OAs that are important, like Google Coding Challenge. It is of duration 90 minutes, and this is pending, and the due date is also mentioned. So everything, whatever is needed for you to remember, like what internships are going to come and what are aligned, you can see everything in one portal. And here at the last, you can see the timeline of internship progress timeline. So let me make you through profile section. So here you can manage your personalized profile management. So here you can build your professional profile and showcase your skills and manage the recruiter ready documents. Here, for example, if I want to add the skills like AI ML, the skills that I know, you have to first add it over here. Then you can upload your resume. For example, I've already uploaded the resume like of Sumit Dubey, you can see, and the AI documents history. Here you will see the whole history of the documents that you have uploaded for your internship process. Now moving to opportunities section. So here you can add the domain in which you have to want to do internship. For example, I've selected all domains, and in that you can see the internships that are open and close also, and that are there for you in the college that are going on. So you have to apply, for example, to this internship. So you can apply from here, and whatever you have uploaded in your profile section, that will be like sent to the recruiter who has posted this internship, right? You can also make the AI cover letter that in whatever company you're applying. So it will automatically generate the AI cover letter according to the company's requirements. So this is one of the plus point that we have tried to inculcate, in which you can see here you will get it, right? Now some internship that are closed, so you also see that you are late and you cannot apply for this internship. Now one of the plus point that we have tried to inculcate in our website is that logbook and reports. So here what logbook and reports are, actually it is like you can see in the LinkedIn that we post our work. Like we don't do it on a regular basis. So in this, what we can do is that we can upload our whatever like we are doing on the daily basis, for that it will be like improvement for the faculty as well as for the internship people who are recruiting you. So if they'll check that your logbook is like regularly updated, you're updating it and you're posting it regularly, this means that the student is really active, and we are willing to take that, we can take him for the interview. Like this, you can check your date, then you can apply for the hours worked you have worked, and little brief history, like whatever you can do. And also you can refine the task for the review for the AI. Like if you're not good at any words or vocabulary, so it will convert them into like more sophisticated and professional vocabulary. And then you can save the final log entry, and here it will, your entry will be saved. And then you can generate the final report compiler that will be sent to the recruiter and your faculty mentor. Like if and then this is going to be your day one. You have done 8 hours, and the task that I mentioned, it was HBE, like this section. Okay, so moving towards the skill matrix. So in the skill matrix, you whatever for whatever internship that you applied, and you can see that there are some skills that you know, and there is a gap between what the companies is demanding and things that you don't know. Like we cannot remember everything. So in this, you can see that okay, JavaScript was the skill that the company demanded, and I also know this. But this is the digital marketing is this gap. So if you can see here, it's the gap and skill mentor, gap mentor. So you can we not only show you that this is the marketing detail, that this is the skills that you are lagging, but also provide you the resources from where you can learn that skills also. So this is also the plus point. Complete intro to the digital marketing, you can see. And here also you can get, because industry required projects, one of the most important thing is the project. So industry required project, and we will gonna give you idea on get micro project idea. So and this will also your AI will also help you to give you the micro project idea on which you can work. Now this was all about campus sync student section. Now if you're a faculty mentor, then you have to register to the faculty. Like what faculty members are going to do, they're going to approve the logs, then manage the mentees and track the reports of the students. So you can see this is the dashboard, in which this is a faculty mentor dashboard. Here you can monitor the mentee progress, then ensure the NEP compliance and provide the structured learning way to the students. For example, this is a total mentee of 42, pending logs are 7, and here you can see the report of the approval status, that this has been approved, like 86% has been approved, the logs of the students are approved and pending reviews. And here is the critical queue. For example, the report of the Sumit Dubey is like on their on pending, you have to do it. Then he's the Priya Sharma. And this is the quick actions and the tools, like view all the mentees, then create new assignments that you want the students to complete, and then the access analytics. Now moving towards mentee approved queue. So here is the approved logs and the final reports to ensure the students meet NEP experimental learning criteria. So this is Sumit Dubey final report. You can see the status of this, then date, and then actions. And then you can have a mentee analytics. Then you're performing good or not, track the performance and intervention points using real-time data from the logbooks and reports, that how the overall performance is needed. And you can also send the alerts to the like low logbook frequency for the Sandeep. He was a mentee and he's not like looking at the logbooks of the students on a daily basis. Then he can you can send alert to them, so they'll get to know that you have to do a lot of things, and you have poor rating on the skill AIML. So now moving towards the assignment and the docs, you can also create the assignment. For example, question 3 market analysis, you can see. And here you can also see the view all the resources that are needed. For example, NEP internship guidelines, you can see here, and you can publish the assignment and the institutional documents that are also. So we have tried to inculcate everything on a single platform. Now if you're an industry partner or employer, and if you're a industry partner, then what you can do is that post openings, manage applications, and then collaborate with the colleges and the internship. So this is the basic interface in which you can see active internships are seven. And here the recent applications of Sumit Dubey you have applied, Priya Sharma, and here the quick actions that are needed. For example, post new internship if you want to post new internship opportunity, and review application or view analytics. And here is the active internship openings, that these are the active internship. If you want to make it close, then you can also close it. And then the college partnership on with the college that you have made partners to. You can see that success rate is 85 of IIT Delhi here. And this is the application analytics you can see. Now in the internship history, you can also download the MOU documents that you have done with the colleges, and also the view all the performance reviews. For example, average rating, it's like 4.6 out of 5 of Priya as strong analytical skills that are hired. You can see every record, everything on a single page. Now, if you're an employer, then you have to post the final placement, then view the certified candidates. Then you can post over here that there's active job posting of 12, total applicants were 246, in which the interview scheduled for 28, and the success rate was 78%. And here you can have the manage the full time job posting, review the candidates, and track your hiring pipeline for NEP certified graduates. For example, recent candidates were Sumit Dubey, and he was his interview was scheduled, so you can see 2 hours ago. And then here's the whole you can see here. And this is the assessment management system, and the active job posting over here, and the hiring analysis. And here also you can see the internship history. Yeah. So this was all about campusing, in which we have tried to inculcate everything in the single app, because there is a gap between the colleges and the internship and the students. And the students doesn't get to know that what are the skills they are lagging behind, and what are the opportunities that are coming to the through their colleges. And also the faculty members also don't get to know that whether the students working on a daily basis. So this is going to provide like the true picture of a student to, and the potential of the student to the industries also, and to the faculty members also, so that the faculty members can work on that student also. And if the student's working fine, then they should get more chance, rather than the student who is not working good. They get a more chance to sit in the interview for the industry, so that it will be a time saving for both the companies that are coming to hire the students, also for the faculty members. So this was all about the solutions. So thank you, everyone.